Hi everyone, welcome back to Annette's Vignettes. We are in the middle of summer and it's the perfect time to go on vacation, explore new places. So what better DIY than a custom pushpin travel map to mark where you've been and where you want to go. Today I'm showing you how to make this simple and beautiful travel map on a budget. Let's get started. So before we get started, you're going to need 4 materials to make your travel map. Number 1, you're going to get a cork board. I got mine for $5 on IKEA, so I'll include that in a link in the description box below. But feel free to purchase from whichever site you prefer if you'd like a cork board with a smaller or bigger dimension. Number 2, you're going to get a travel map. Now remember, you don't need to get a world map. If your finances don't allow for you to travel far, feel free to customize a map of your country or city. You don't need to go far in order to explore and have a good time. I downloaded my world map image from a public government website and I printed it at a local print shop. I got it done on an 18 by 24 inch premium matte paper. You can also print it on cardstock, and it ended up being like $10, so not breaking the bank. Number 3, you're going to buy some spray adhesive, and it's just spray glue that you can get at any pharmacy for about $5. It's what we're going to use to glue the travel map to the cork board so that we get a nice sleek finish and no glue bumps. And finally, number 4, you're going to get some colorful push pins. I got these on the Wish app for about $2 to $3. It took like 3 weeks for it to get to me, but well worth it. And I actually have some favorites from them. They're called flying push pins, and they resemble little paper airplanes. They're super cute, and I'm saving them for my dream locations of where I want to go in the future. That's it, let's get started. Before printing out your map, make sure that the main image fits within the cork board you are using. After I printed the map, I had to cut a few inches along the border in order to accommodate for my 14.5 width by almost 22 inch length IKEA board. I personalized my map before printing by adding text using the Preview program on Mac, or the Paint program if you're using Windows. I also downloaded a compass image and pasted it to the map to give it a vintage feel. You can do this by searching for a free PNG compass image online. PNG images will have transparent backgrounds so that the compass can layer over the map seamlessly. Finally, I added a map key to identify our different trips, our travels, my husband's travels, and our travel wish list. Once the map is printed, gently place it face down on a layer of paper towels or newspapers. Take your spray adhesive, give the can a shake, and spray the entire back side of the map. Once you're done, don't let that glue dry out. Immediately take the 2 corners, place them down on the board, and slowly lay down the map with one hand while smoothing out the paper with your other. Then, place some weights on the map to seal the glue airtight. Wait at least 1 hour for it to dry. Now it's time to designate what color pushpins you'll use for your map key. I chose the shiny copper to represent our travels together. Purple, my favorite color, will be for my travels. I'll mark my husband's travels in blue, and our travel wish list with these adorable paper airplanes. So that's it, we're all done. I hope you really enjoyed making your travel map. If you really liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you soon!